I'm Sarah Lavonne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited because yesterday I hit 25,000 subscribers. And so out of that gratefulness in my heart, I have put together a care package for you. This is going to be a giveaway done over on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, if you don't have an Instagram, open an Instagram and follow me over there. I'm gonna be honest, when I quit my job like a year and a half ago, I kind of had no idea what I was gonna do with my life, other than that I knew what I was called to and what I was good at and what I really cared about. And so YouTube was kind of like a side hobby, like there needs to be childbirth education online that's available and accessible to anyone, anywhere. And so I started my channel, which even looking back, I'm like, wow, how far I have come. I never imagined buying equipment for it. I never imagined anybody subscribing or liking or commenting or engaging like you guys have been. You guys have built the most amazing community for me. It has become such a joy to me to wake up every day and be reminded by you guys that yes, I am walking in my calling, that I'm doing what God has intended me to do. And so out of that gratefulness, here I'm getting emotional. What is wrong with me? I wanted to film as quickly as I possibly can all of the fun goodies that I personally have put together. Some of them have been donated from companies that I've reached out to and been like, yo, I love your stuff. Do you want to donate to this giveaway? And then other things I have purchased myself because I just care and love you guys so much. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and watching and sticking with it, guys, for following me on Instagram, for following up on Instagram. And then one of you lucky people will win all of these yummy goodies. Even though they're not really yummy, there's only like one yummy thing from it. Now, if you don't win, I have created an Amazon list over on my Amazon storefront that I will link down below. I do have an Amazon storefront where I have curated some of my favorite things and put them all together on Amazon lists for you guys to access there. So I'll link that down below. And I've made an entire list called 25K giveaway for you to find all of the fun things that I'm going to show you today. So let's get to it because I'm really trying to make this a short video and Lord knows that I'm not very short. So the thought behind this was I wanted you to feel pampered. I wanted you to feel special. I wanted things to be all the way that you can use in your pregnancy to postpartum. I wanted mamas who've already delivered to be able to participate, or those of you that aren't even pregnant to participate, so that you have some fun things coming. In lieu of you feeling pampered, I have these chlorine eye patches. I took a bath the other day and put on some of these. They felt delicious. My skin actually looked amazing in combination with this sheet mask, which is really fun. I thought about putting this on today, but then I did my whole makeup and I was like, I'm really gonna mess it up if I actually put on the sheet mask. There's the sheet mask, then there's eye patches for you to do a little spa day for yourself. I just recently did an unboxing for FabFitFun. I polled you guys to see which one of the products from my FabFitFun box that you wanted in there, and so the answer was clearly the Ahava Leave On Dead Sea Mud foot cream. So this is to keep your feet nice and yummy. I also have, this is by Mana Kadar, Champagne Charcoal Body Scrub. So you are about to pamper your little selves. A lot of times when you get pregnant and you have a baby, everything becomes about the baby. And so I don't want you mamas to be forgotten. I want you to feel pampered and taken care of and special. And so let's exfoliate and make you feel all nice and clean and smooth and yummy and good. I pulled 3 of my favorite items from my What's in My Labor Bag video, so I'll link that above. The first thing is the epic head scratcher. I don't know if you saw this video yet, but if you haven't, this was one of my moments where like I try this for the first time and I am like, oh my gosh. So this is therapy. I have officially given you I'm not gonna try it because it'll totally mess up my hair and my hair's up today. The epic head scratcher is a part of this one. We can't go wrong with that one. And then I have my favorite heating/cold pack. It's called a Prego pouch. And mind you, yours is like gonna be in the package right here. I actually have a promo code for this, so I'll link that down below because I know her personally. She's amazing. She's a mom here in LA. I talk about this in my What's in My Labor Bag video, but this can be hot or cold. It's full of cherry pits. It can be used for labor. It can be like therapy where you feel it and it sounds like a rainmaker, and then also can be used for breastfeeding. That's really the purpose, to heat up your breasts to help to increase your milk supply. So when you heat up the breast and then you combine that with compression for pumping or for breastfeeding, it helps with your milk supply. So a Prego pouch is included with your giveaway. Along those lines, I am including a Haka breast pump. So this has had so much hype on Instagram, on social media, and with my mamas. The idea is that it's like this silicone, it's not an electric breast pump, but you basically flip it upside down and then put it on the breast that you're not feeding on. And then it kind of has this like gentle suction on the breast so that when you're feeding out of one side, then it collects the milk and kind of gently pulls some of that milk out of the other breast to increase your milk supply. So it helps with milk supply. It helps so that you can collect that milk and not lose it. It's super gentle on the breast. It's reusable. It's lightweight. It's super simple. This has become an essential item for you breastfeeding mamas. If you don't have one, it's relatively inexpensive. I will obviously put it on my list, but one of you lucky winners will be getting one of the Haka breast pumps. Or like breast pump? Is it a, yeah, they call it a breast pump. It's like a breast suction collector thingy, majiggy. The Honest Company sent me some of their sample packs, so you'll get a sample pack. This is like a small extra little thing, but I'll open this one up just to show you where you get some of their super cute little diapers that have, this one has pandas on it, and then this is the best part, on-the-go wipes. So there's 10 wipes in here to throw in your little diaper bag. Makes it super simple for you. So a couple of diapers with some little wipies. This is fun. A couple other little guys that I threw in just for fun is a personalized birth affirmation. I am enough. I say this all the time, guys. You are enough. That is one of my favorite birth affirmations. I use it in my labors. I want to remind you guys that who you are right now, with everything you have done, you are enough for your baby, for your partner, for yourself, for your labor, everything. This is a little birth affirmation. I have these exact ones in my labor bag that I use with my mamas. You get one, a $50 gift card to HelloFresh, because as we know, when you have a baby, making food is not easy. And then of course, a little bundle birth pen. This is just a fun little bonus. This is my company, Bundle Birth. So I will write you a note with this pen and it will be personalized to you. Whoever wins, you can represent Bundle Birth there. You could not have a package from me and not get my special little twinkle light. So these are the new ones, but I pulled out mine from my labor bag. And so what's inside are these perfect little twinkle light thingies. You can put them on the wall, you can bring them to the bathroom, you can set them up for your labor and birth. If you've already delivered your baby and that's all tangled because I threw it together at last minute in my last birth, then that's okay, because I still use these around my house. I've actually brought them into the bathroom for me when I want like a little bit of lighting, if I'm having like a soothing bath and a glass of wine. They're clearly dying because I use them for the entire labors that I'm at. I have a Toka candle here for you, and it smells like fresh, like the beach. It reminds me of, what's that Bath and Body Works smell from like elementary school? Sweet pea or sweet, you know, like the pink one, pea something. I think it's sweet pea, but it smells delicious. A Toka candle, these last a really long time. They're really nice candles and you can use that at home in your labor. And then of course, this is also for my what's in my labor bag / my purse and my labor bag and my life. This is my one essential oil that I love so much. This is Balance by doTERRA. You can't go to labor, or I can't go to labors without having this oil. It smells pretty earthy. Oh, I just opened it. It's open now, but I was the only one that ever smelled it. It's good for anxiety. It's good for regulating mood. If you're ever having a panicky moment in labor, you can just put a drop in your hands, rub together, take some slow deep breaths, and it'll help calm you down. You can use it for massage. It is not ingestible. This one isn't. Some other doTERRA ones are, but I thought you should have the doTERRA Balance, my holy grail of essential oils for labor. I did an Instagram post not too long ago and made these lactation brownies for one of my mamas, and she'd sent me 2 of these for free, one for the giveaway and then one just to try for myself, and I ended up making them for her. They do not taste like breastfeeding brownie. You can find these on Amazon and they're super easy. All they require is an egg, melted butter, I'm sure you could use oil or coconut oil or something, and then water, and you mix them all together. They have these massive chocolate chunks in them and they do not taste like breastfeeding brownies at all, but they help to increase your milk supply. So for postpartum, what a fun little treat, better than store-bought, because then they're nice and fresh, they come out of the oven, you have a little treat to help with your milk supply, and then feel guiltless about eating a brownie. So many fun things! And then I mentioned this in my last coffee and questions because I knew, and I've been putting together this giveaway for so long, but Posh Peanut sent me 2 fun items for you. This is a robe for you. It is the softest, guys, stretchy, comfy, lightweight fabric in the world. I love it. In fact, I was honestly very jealous and thought about keeping it myself, but I didn't. It's going to you. There's a Posh Peanut robe and then a matching swaddle and headband. So if you're having a girl, great. If you're not having a girl, then you're probably gonna have to pass this off to another friend of yours, or, you know, save it for your second baby if you have another girl. They match, and it's like super cute for your little postpartum pictures. Then you have your little matching outfit. So included is a robe for you, mama. You can wear it postpartum, bring it to the hospital, have something to feel nice and like spiced up and beautiful after you give birth, and then the matching swaddle and headband. My last but not least items are Kia Babies sent me a baby wrap for baby wearing. I'm so excited about this one. I actually reached out to them. Baby wearing is such an awesome option for you mamas. There are so many wraps out there, but to me, I really actually like the simple, just like long fabricy wraps. And so that's what this is. It's basic gray. I think I probably will open it up. It's just like a perfect gray that goes for male or female. And then, you know what? I'll do an Instagram video on this. So go to my Instagram, because this is how you're gonna have to enter anyway, but I will do an Instagram video on how to wrap a baby, a newborn, with this long wrap thing, because it can be totally overwhelming. Wearing your baby can be super helpful, not only for bonding, but also for soothing your babies. Your babies thrive off of being close to mom, especially within that first 4 to 6 weeks. Also, as a new mom, sometimes you feel like you lose your arms. And so to be able to wrap your baby, wear your baby, they're super close, they feel your heartbeat, they know your smell, they know your voice, they're super comforted, but then you have both hands. So you can do the dishes, you can throw in a load of laundry, you can talk on the phone, you can flail your arms around and not feel so constricted anymore. Included in this giveaway is this beautiful Kia Babies wrap. I will do an Instagram, probably an Instagram live, honestly, about this over on Instagram. So make sure you go over there, and then I'll make it available afterwards. I'll put it on like a highlight just in case you miss it. And then last but not least, this is my personalized gift on top of the note that I will write you. I literally made this in a Color Me Mine style place. I am giving you my Flex and Flow mug that I used in one of my coffee and questions. I'll link that one above so you can see it there. So you can have your postpartum teas in here. You can have some hot chocolate or some coffee, which is what I would always have. Your own, very own, one of a kind, the very first of my Flex and Flow merch, which more to come on that is made by me, just for you. For one of you lucky winners, you will get everything that is pictured here. I also may give away some of my childbirth classes and my coping with labor class, so go over to Instagram, follow me at BundleBirth over there. The giveaway will be live for 1 week, and then I'll have to close it off, but if you're watching this video later, then everything is linked on my Amazon list down below. Thanks everyone for subscribing, for walking this journey with me, for keeping me going, for sharing your stories. I really wouldn't be able to do it or keep going without you and your love and your encouragement. Good luck. Don't forget to flex and flow, and I will see you very soon. Bye.